ready to go. 1900 metres, the opening race of the day. They're on their way, and Harlem Moon, Rebel Flight, the inside got away well. Thieves Like Us is in search of the lead, then followed Set and Steel. Foxy Dane working across with Gauged and Jolly Chap. Lightning Point getting onto heels early, and back at the tail of the field is Tommy Toucan. They leave the straight with 1650 metres to run, and Rebel Flight is taken on by Thieves Like Us, and Thieves Like Us crosses now Rebel Flight to lead. Then followed in third spot is Set in Steel as they go over the crossing towards the back. Harlem Moon on the inside next. Foxy Dane's caught out a shade deep. Lightning Point in the centre. The grey Gauged is back on the inside, and the favourite Tommy Toucan's last, about 8 lengths off the lead. Danny Miller, as he usually does, likes to set a solid pace out in front, and he's taken Thieves Like Us out to a 4-length lead at the 1100 metre mark. Running second is Set in Steel. Rebel Flight is third. 1.5 lengths then to Jolly Chap. Harlem Moon on the inside from Foxy Dane. Lightning Point travels strong on the bit from Gage, and Peter Hall's about to make a move on Tommy Toucan. He doesn't want this leader to get too much of a break. They come off the back at the 800, Thieves Like Us by 5 lengths. Running second is Set in Steel, then followed Rebel Flight, followed by Foxy Dane, then Jolly Chap. On the inside to Harlem Moon, ridden along. Lightning Point starts its run, so does Tommy Toucan, and Gage has gone back to last. Thieves Like Us only by 1.5 lengths at the 500. Set and Steel second. Tommy Toucan's made a very quick move around the outside. Lightning Point is next, and Gage jumps onto their back, and well back then Foxy Dane, Rebel Flight, Jolly Chap, Harlem Moon. Tommy Toucan takes the lead in the straight. They run down with just over 250 to go. Leads by a length. Gage is down the outside. Rebel Flight along the inside, and then followed Lightning Point. Tommy Toucan hasn't got a lot left in the tank, but it's still in front. Gage is finishing hard on the outside, then followed Thieves Like Us, but Tommy Toucan's going to break through by 3/4 over Gage. Thieves Like Us third. Then Rebel Flight, Harlem Moon, Jolly Chap, Lightning Point, second last in, Set in Steel, and Foxy Dane back at the tail. First of the afternoon, Tommy Toucan quickly raced up on the corner to join Thieves Like Us and has ground out a win all the way to the post to win by about 3/4 of a length. Number 2, Tommy Toucan. Peter Hall, the winner.